here with the second part of second chapter, class 8, that is microorganism, friend or foe. In first part I have explained what is microorganism, what are different categories of microorganism. Now in this part I will explain what are the different uses of microorganism. Okay, it is not always villain, they are helpful to us also. Like the first one, preparation of food item. Everyone has seen your mother is taking warm little lukewarm milk, putting a little bit of curd. She is leaving it overnight and morning a bowl of set curd is present, isn't? So lactobacillus bacteria is putting a lukewarm milk. They are doing reproduction and overnight they are turning the milk into curd. So same way we have seen about idli dosha batter. Your mother has grinded the rice in the dal. She is leaving it overnight. Fermentation is happening with the help of yeast and we are able to get the dosha and idli batter. Third is preparation of cake, pastries, etc. There also yeast is added, the dough is rising and we are able to make cake, pastry, etc. So now what is happening when we are adding the yeast, that I am explaining. Okay, suppose I have taken a batter, there I put yeast. So they start reproducing, they are increasing their number and then they do the respiration, which is essential characteristic of living organism. So when they do respiration, carbon dioxide gas is formed, which is covering the entire batter and making the batter porous or fluffy. Am I clear? Okay. Commercial use, large scale production of wine, alcohol, acetic acid, that is commonly termed as vinegar, is formed with the use of this microorganism. So here yeast is used. Okay, yeast is used and they are converting the sugar sort of substance into alcohol. Okay, medicinal use, to stop or kill the growth of disease causing microorganisms, some medicines are used. These medicines are termed as microorganism. These medicines are termed as antibiotics. You have seen when you go to doctor, you have fever, cough, cold, etc. They are giving you antibiotics. Okay, so that is form of these microbes only. Antibiotics are produced from bacteria and fungi. Some example I am giving, that is streptomycin and tetracycline. Even these are used in the production of vaccine, like we have polio vaccine, etc. Vitamin B complex tablet are also formed from yeast and bacteria. Third point we have covered. Now fourth I am coming, that is increasing soil fertility. Okay, so we are aware that atmosphere is having highest concentration of nitrogen, but plant and we are not able to use it directly. They need to be converted to some soluble form so that plant is able to absorb it. So that work is done with the help of one bacteria, that is rhizobium, and blue-green algae, etc. Okay, so they are trapping the atmospheric free nitrogen, converting into soluble nitrate that is mixed with the soil, and they are enriching the soil. Fifth, cleaning environment. You have seen so many types of plants and animals are inhabiting on the surface of the earth. They fulfill their life cycle and eventually die, isn't? Now, we have not seen that our earth is covered with dead bodies. What is happening here? Whenever they are dying, microbes are attacking on it, converting into simple substance. They are mixing with the soil and they are enriching the soil. Okay, so double benefit. First, they are enriching the soil and they are removing the foul smell, bad smell, dead body, etc. from the environment. So I hope the uses of microorganism you have understood and you came to know that microbes are how much important to us. Okay, now I am explaining about vaccine. You have heard vaccine, vaccinization, so many types of injections you have got, isn't? So what is vaccine? Vaccine is dead or weakened microbes are entered in your body, okay, and when they enter our body, so our body produces some antibodies. They have to protect our body from that microbes, and they live in our body, okay, lifelong, and whenever that sort of microbes enter our body, so they fight it and prevent our body. That is termed as vaccines. Am I clear? Okay, so in this part I am explaining this much. More we will see in the next part. Thank you guys.